Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you these elastic dining chair cushion covers. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up. We're going to try it out on the chairs and I'll show you what it looks like. These covers are made of high-quality polyester and spandex, which makes it very stretchy and it can fit snugly onto my cushions. It is also soft and smooth to the touch, which makes it quite comfortable when you're sitting on it. They do have a few different options to choose from, so you can pick whatever pattern you like as well as how many covers you want, depending on what you need for your home. I love how easy it is to put this on. You simply stretch it out and put it onto your chair, and that's basically it. If you want to make it extra secure, you can flip it over and use the elastic bands on the bottom to secure the cover in place. If you have pets or kids around, this is such a neat way to protect your chairs from getting damaged or stained or scratched due to everyday use. You can see my chairs here are pretty beaten up, all the stains and tears everywhere. But as soon as I put this cover on, it's as good as new. And I love that because I don't have to go and buy more furniture, which is going to cost me a lot more money. If you are in the market for gorgeous seat covers that are easy to use and add a beautiful pop of color to your decor, you'll definitely want to take a look at this.